Hi friends, this is the lecture number 6. So my request to you that please you must go in the previous lecture, then you must come here, okay? Then your concept it will be clear, because this is a series from lecture 1 to 2. If you understand the first lecture, then you can understand this lecture, okay? And this is very important for even you are just doing your PhD, MBA, B.Tech, for all of the students. Even you are doing the research, okay, this is very important, you must know, because whenever you have done any experiment, after your experiment what the data you have got, then you must know that how to plot the graph. So this is very important, okay. So today we will just talk about the dispersion, okay, what is the meaning of dispersion and why we are using it, what is the real application of this dispersion. We have also studied in the past lecture the mean median mode, okay, how to find it and what is the concept to use in our real life, okay. So in this dispersion we are just studying the average, the measures of central tendency, give us an idea of concentration of the observation about central part of the distribution. You can see here already we have discussed in the previous lecture. You can see that this is the first data, this is the second data, and this is the third data. In the first data, the data is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and in second data 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and in third data you have 1, 5, 9, 13, and 17. Okay. If you add all the value, every time you will get 45. Okay. But the mean for every time the mean is 9. How? Because you can see the mean means the middle part, the center part. The center part is 9, the center part is 9, the center part is 9. But if someone will ask to you this question, if you have a data and its value is total the data, the sum of the all data is 45 and its mean is 9. So by the help of this data you cannot find any conclusion, okay, you cannot get any idea, you cannot find any idea, okay, because by this data we can arrange infinite number of such type of this series, okay. So in this condition we are not getting any conclusion, so thus the measure of central tendency and inadequate to give us the complete idea of distribution, okay. What is the meaning of dispersion? Dispersion means scatteredness, scatter, okay, your data, how your data is scattering, we have to study, okay. After this dispersion, your fuzzy technology, okay, your data mining, everything is start after this, okay. We have to think how our data it is spreading, okay. We have to think how it is scattered, okay. A study of the dispersion to have an idea about the homogeneity and heterogeneity of distributions, okay. Your data it is the distance between two data it is far or near, okay. You have seen whenever you are entering something, suppose you are entering in Facebook current, okay, or suppose you are entering in your Google search engine, you are entering puja, suppose, okay, and you put puja, then after that it will give you a lot of conclusion, okay. There are trillions of data in the internet, okay. So this is the question, how it is collecting the data for the users. If I am putting the puja, then how it is finding, this is the question, okay. So here you can see that the first one, in the first one it is the more homogeneous, and homogeneous means less dispersed than 2 and 3. You can see that this 2 and 3 first is more dispersed, more homogeneous. You can see that this is the 9, and after this 9 there is a 10, then 11, and 9, then 8 and 7, okay. These data are close to 9. This 8 is close to 9, this 10 is also close to 9, this 11 is also close to 9, this 7 is also close to 9. So all data, these are dense, it means that, okay, it means that the data is similar. After this lecture I will explain you the standard deviation, then you will know that how in the market analysis also they use this stat in their life, okay, in their market analysis. So now you can see that in the first, the 9, this 10 and 11 and 7 and 8, these are close to 9, but here you can see that this 9 and after then 12, then 15, then 6 and 3. So this is more homogeneous, but these are not homogeneous. Means this is less dispersed, this is more dispersed, this is more this is less dispersed, but this is more dispersed. Means these data are scattered. Okay. Now in the third, if you just think about third is more heterogeneous, means more scattered than first and second. You can see that this is 9 and after then 13. Okay, 9 and after then 13, then 17, then 9 and after then 5 and 1. So this 13 it is very far. Okay, this 13 from 9 and after then 13, then 17. Okay, so it means that your data is scattered. Okay, your one data is here, one data is here, one data is here. Okay, so that is scattered data, and that is homogeneous, and that is heterogeneous. That is the meaning of this. Okay, I think that you understand. Okay, so now how to measure the dispersion? This is the question. The measure of dispersion is there are two ways. The first one is the measure which express the spread of observation in terms of distance between the values selected observation. In this condition, we are just checking the maximum value and the minimum value, and after then we subtract it. The distance measure, we use the distance measure in this condition, range we use, and in interquartile range or quartile deviation. The first one, we will find the distance measure, range or quartile deviations, and the second one is the measure which express the spread of observation in terms of the average of deviations of observation from one central value. Okay, so we will use the mean deviation and standard deviation. After this lecture we will talk about the standard deviation, what is the meaning of standard deviation and what is the application of standard deviation, and I will also solve some questions. So there are two ways to find the dispersion. The first one is this and second one is this. So after that, the range already we have told you, range means the difference between two extreme points, the x max and x minimum. Okay, and the second one is quartile deviations. The definition, the formula for the quartile deviation, it is q is equal to 1 upon 2 q3 minus q1. My request to everyone that please go in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we have explained about the quartile, percentile and decile. Okay. So how to find Q3 and Q1 already we have discussed. So the subtraction of the two values, that is the quartile deviations, and the mean deviations is equal to 1 upon n sigma f into x minus x bar. X bar means mean. Okay. So these are the definitions and the formulas. By the help of this formula, we can find the dispersion. We will again solve one question. Already we have solved to minimize the time. Okay, so the example number 1, the marks of the students I have given in interval. I told you that whenever you have the data in the form of interval, then you will use the different formula, otherwise you will use the previous formula. Okay, so the number of the students are 6, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6 and 3. 4, 0 to 10, 5, 4, 10 to 20, 8, 4, 20 to 30, 15, 4, 30 to 40, 7, 4, 40 to 50, and 6, 4, 50 to 60, and 3, 4, 60 to 70. Okay. So after that I have made one, I have constructed one table. So we will explain the marks. These are the marks for this interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. And mid value, here we have written the mid value of this interval. From 0 to 10 the mid value is 5. From 10 to 20 the mid value is 15. Similarly we have written all the mid value. Okay. After that we have written the number of the student, that is the frequency already they have given us. The value we have right here. These are the frequency for 0 to 10, 6. Already they have given us 6, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6, 3. Okay. Now after that we will find a D. D is equal to x minus 35. What is 35? 35 is the mid value. You can see that. There are 3 data, this is the mid value. So I have written the mid value x minus 35 upon 10. What is x? X is this. So 5 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to minus 3. 15 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to minus 2. 25 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to minus 1. 35 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to 0. 45 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to 1. 55 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to 2. 65 minus 35 upon 10 is equal to 3. Okay. Then after that we have multiplied f and d. Okay. This value and this value. 6 3 is 18 minus 18. 5 2 is 10 minus 10. 8 into minus 1 is equal to minus 8. 15 into 0 is equal to 0. 7 into 1 is equal to 1. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. After that we have find x minus x bar. What is x bar? X bar we have calculated. X bar we have calculated here. Mean. How to find a mean? Already we have explained in the previous lecture. Okay. You must go in the previous lecture how to find the mean. Okay. So mean is equal to a plus h sigma fd upon n. So what is a? A is the any arbitrary value, that is 35 I have taken, and plus h means interval, that is 10. You can see that the interval is 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, the interval is 10. Okay. And sigma fd, already we have done sigma fd. This value is minus 8. If you add all the value, then you will get minus 8. We have done minus 8 upon n is equal to 50. Sum of the all frequency, that is 50. So after that we got 33.4. This is the mean. This is the way to find mean. So we have subtracted this x. X means 5 minus 33.4. That is 28.4. It's a mod value. Means it will be never negative. Okay. So 5 minus 33.4, 15 minus 33.4. Then after that 25 minus 33.4, 35 minus 33.4, 45 minus 33.4, 55 minus 33.4, 65 minus 33.4. We got 28.4, 28.4, 18.4, 8.4, 1.6, 11.6, 21.6, 31.6. Okay. You must write in your notebook. Now after that we multiply this f and this value. 6 into 28.4 is equal to 170.4. 5 into 18.4 is equal to 92.0. 8 into 8.4 is equal to 67.2. 15 into 1.6 is equal to 24.0. 7 into 11.6 is equal to 81.2. 6 into 21.6 is equal to 129.6. And 3 into 31.6 is equal to 94.8. If you add all the value, then the sum is 659.2. And at last we have find the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency is 6, then 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, then 11 plus 8 is equal to 19, then 19 plus 15 is equal to 34, then 34 plus 7 is equal to 41, 41 plus 6 is equal to 47, and 47 plus 3 is equal to 50. So we have find the cumulative frequency also. Now we have seen that 5 is equal to 50. So at first we have to find the quartile, and what is the meaning of quartile? Okay, decile and percentile. We have explained in the previous lecture. You must go. So this is quartile. For quartile, the formula is 1 upon 4 into n. That is, if you 50 upon 4, then you will get 12.75. And similarly here for Q3, you have 3 upon 4 n. That is 37.5. So for this one, for Q1. The cumulative frequency is greater than 12.75 is 19. Means 19, this 19 it is holding 12.75. Okay. So hence your corresponding class is 20 to 30. This class is 20 to 30. Okay, so this formula already we have explained in the previous lecture. Q1 is equal to L plus H upon F minus N upon 4 minus C. So in place of L is the lower limit, this is 20, plus H is the interval, 10 interval, this interval, and F is the frequency. For this value, your frequency is 8. Okay, so your frequency is 8, and N upon 4 already we have done 12.75 minus C means just above value. This is 11. This value, and after calculation we got 22.19, that is Q1. Then we will find now for this Q3. Now CF is just greater than 37.25 is 41. Means 41 it is holding this 37.25. Okay, that it is just greater than. Just you have to check the greater than, just greater than value. It's 37.25 is 41. Okay. This is less than, this is greater than 37.25. 41 is greater than 37.25. Okay, so your value is this, it is holding this one. Hence, corresponding class is 40 to 50. Your corresponding class is 40 to 50. Again, you will use the same formula. Okay, in place you have to change only this. In place of this, you have to change only this. So for Q3 is 3 upon 4 into N. Q3 is equal to L plus H upon F, 3 upon 4 N. Minus C is equal to, this is the lower limit is 40, plus H means interval, F means its frequency is 7, okay, and 3 upon 4 already we have done 37.25, and minus C means just above value, that is 34 we have done. After calculation we have got 44.64. So Q1 we have done, Q3 we have done. Now quartile deviation. We have to find the quartile deviation. The definition, the formula is Q is equal to 1 upon 2 Q3 minus Q1. So 1 upon 2 Q3 minus Q1. Q3 44.64 minus Q1 22.19. If you calculate, then you will get 11.23. Okay. Now mean already we have discussed. Now the last one is the mean deviation. How to calculate mean deviation? 1 upon n sigma f this. Okay, so 1 upon n sigma f into x minus x bar. So this value f into x minus x bar already we have done. This its summation. This is the summation, means sum of the all values, that is 659.2. So this 659.2 upon n is equal to 50, that is 13.184. Okay, so this is this question. This question, it will come in your university exam. They will ask, and this is the meaning of dispersion. Okay, what is the application of dispersion? Why we are studying? Why we are reading this dispersion? Because it will tell us how your data is scattered. Okay, so because this data and this data and this data, its mean is 9. So we are not getting any conclusion. Okay, we are not getting any conclusion. So after that there is a new study, that is how your data is scattered. So you can find a conclusion by the help of this theory. Okay, I think that you understand. Okay, so in the next lecture we will just talk about the standard deviation. What is the meaning of standard deviation, and what is the usage in our real life. Okay, thank you so much.